Welcome back to the NASM series on home workouts. My name is Kerion and I want you to have a seat. We are going to chat for a minute about how to make home workouts fun, effective, and to stay on track. So the biggest drawback that I usually hear about home workouts versus gym workouts is accountability. So when you are paying for a gym membership and you take the time to drive there, you are much more likely to do your workout. If you're at home, sometimes it can be a little bit harder to get started. There's also not that accountability factor of other people that you know that are going to the gym or say in a workout class. So I have a few suggestions to work around that. Of course, I am first of all going to say if you can hire a trainer that can train you virtually or build a program for you and do some accountability check-ins. If that's not possible, something that you could do right now, then you could also find accountability buddies. So maybe someone else that wants to go along with a workout program that you guys can find together and do together. Or if you are self-motivated enough, one thing that I really encourage people to do is just to plan their own workouts ahead of time. So if you can know, okay, when I wake up tomorrow morning, this is the workout I'm gonna do, you can go ahead and write it out the night before if you don't have someone that's making the program for you. And then that way when you get up and you're about to do your workout that morning, or even if you're not gonna do it until the evening, if you already have it planned from the day before, you're more likely to do it. It's kind of like that checklist thing. We're all more likely to accomplish something if it's on a to-do list. And so if you know that's something you need to do the next day, you're a little bit more likely to do it. The other thing is if you have this space in your home and can dedicate a space to your workouts, that actually makes it a little bit more inviting to do. Now that said, I have trained hundreds of people in their living rooms, in their game rooms, their master bedrooms, if there's like a big sitting area. But there's also a lot of people that will use, say, a spare bedroom or what would have been an office in their home to become their home gym. And so in those areas, even if you don't have a lot of equipment, say you just have a few balls and dumbbells, kettlebells, whatever items that you end up wanting to have there at home, if it's all in that set area, then you can kind of get that gym mindset of walking into that area, that space, and getting your workout done. Now, the fun factor, I'm gonna say crank up some music. Again, if you have an accountability buddy, that's gonna help a lot too. Maybe find a video that you really like, different video series that you enjoy, and you can turn those on and get the workout done that way. But really just know that the only bad workout is the one that is skipped. And so as long as you're getting the workout done, it absolutely can be just as effective at home as it could be at the gym. Very, very few people are not going to be able to get as good of workouts at home, and those are typically bodybuilders and people that are trying to gain a substantial amount of mass. I know I've even seen some of them able to do it. They just have to buy some of that bigger equipment. So for the typical fitness enthusiast and those watching this video, home workouts are going to be very effective for you. You just have to plan a little bit more, just really be methodical in it. And so if you can get even a workout journal, a plain notebook even works, where you can have it on like a written out calendar or schedule or to-do list, checklist type thing, then that is going to keep you a little bit more on track. And I truly think that's the biggest drawback with home workouts, is just getting that motivation and accountability. But if you can get that done, you are going to be so glad that you are saving time not driving to a gym. You're not spending the price on a gym membership, and you could actually put that into purchasing a program that then is going to give you some great home workouts. So that's just a few ideas. I hope to see you guys again on the next video, and we're going to be doing some other workouts.